Very good evening, everyone. Today I have brought for you new phrase for you to learn, and this is called next to. So next to means बहुत नज़दीक के सेंस में इसका इस्तेमाल किया जाता है मेनली जब दो व्यक्ति या दो चीज़ हों और उनके बीच में कुछ नहीं हो लेकिन वो बहुत नज़दीक, तो इसका जो सेंस है बहुत नज़दीक. So I'll tell you how to use this phrase with the help of some examples. आप ध्यान से सुनेंगे. Okay, so I want you to imagine your friend whom you have not been talking with for 2 or 3 months. आप अपने उस दोस्त की कल्पना करो जिससे आप 2 या 3 महीने से बात नहीं कर रहे. And now imagine that you have got the call of him and he is talking to you over the call, on the call, and he is saying, hey, how are you? Then you are saying, I'm fine. What's about you? Where have you been nowadays? Then your friend is saying, oh, I was quite busy. Can we meet? Your friend is saying. You are saying, of course. Where? Your friend is saying, let's meet in the park where we met before 2 or 3 months. You are saying, okay, let's meet. So I want you to imagine that you have reached in the park, okay, where you have made plan to visit or where you have made plan to meet. So you have reached in that park. Imagine this, okay? You have reached physically in the park, and so now your friend has called you. He's saying, where are you? You are saying, I'm already in the park. Where are you? You are saying, your friend is saying, I'm about to reach in the park. So he is asking, where are you sitting? So you are saying, please pay attention. हम next to का इस्तेमाल करने वाले हैं. So you are saying, I'm sitting next to those trees where we used to sit in the park. आप कह रहे हो अपने फ्रेंड से कि मैं उन पेड़ों के बहुत नज़दीक बैठी हुई हूँ जहाँ पर हम पार्क में बैठा करते थे. तो मैं आपको इसी से मिलते जुलते 2 सेंटेंस बता रहा हूँ जो कि आपको बनाने हैं. हम उन पेड़ों के बहुत नज़दीक खड़े हुए हैं जहाँ हम खड़ा हुआ करते थे. You have to make this by yourself, and I'm giving you one more. हम उन पेड़ों के पास इंतजार कर रहे हैं हम उन पेड़ों के बहुत नज़दीक इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं जहाँ पर हम किया करते थे. So you have to make these 2 sentences by yourself. If you have any kind of doubt, please let me know. I'll help you further. Bye. Take care.